if after doing your makeup looks cakey, or your makeup starts peeling off, or after doing your makeup in the next 2 hours your makeup will just start looking cakey, I have a solution for you. I have something I used in 2025 that helped improve my makeup. Yeah. So normally before, after doing my makeup, even if I use setting spray, it doesn't have that glow look. You get me? It doesn't really have that glow look. So guess what? I decided to go to the market and get something. So this is what I got. This is this spray I bought Silit in 2025, and it's almost remaining a little bit to finish. I have been using it since then, and my makeup improved and changed. Yeah, my makeup got so well that I can wear my makeup for 2 days. Yes, I can remember one time that after doing my makeup, they took light. Yeah, I did my makeup in the night and they took light, and guess what? I didn't wipe off the makeup. I slept with that makeup till the next day, and guess what? It was just like how I did it. Like, my makeup stayed on. I just had to do some touch-ups. But if on a normal level, if after doing my makeup I didn't use the setting spray, my goodness, it's going to be very, very bad. I'm telling you, my makeup will look bad, and some of them, especially when you sweat, and this is equally a sweat block. When you sweat, your makeup will start pulling off with the sweat. You get me now? But Silit was what that changed the game for me. I've been using it and it has been a game changer for me. I love it. So maybe if you have been having issues with your own, you can get Silit. Yeah, you can use Silit for your makeup. Then you will definitely notice a difference, like a very big difference. I'm telling you, this is not normal setting spray that we use. Normally what I do is, after doing my makeup, I use the normal setting spray. I can't find it. Okay, this is what I use. I use this one, and then after using that, I use this. Yeah, Silit is the name. That's what I use, and my makeup has been good. And you know, this Silit equally gives your makeup a glowy look. Yeah, and when applying this Silit, it tends to kind of squeeze your face. You get me? That's like pulling everything together. Don't panic when you start doing that. That's like holding the makeup and everything together. And even if you sweat, your makeup won't pull off. Yes, you will be sweating and you will see the sweat will just come out of your face. It will not pull off with the makeup. That's what this Silit does. So if you're looking for a setting spray that you want to use in your makeup to improve your makeup look, go for Silit. I will be trying other ones in this 2026, but before trying those ones, this is what I'm using for my makeup. So bye guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Drop a comment for me.